Quick church gele using Akara material. Yes, my name is Deck Beauty. That is me dancing for church, leading praise. Yes, if you don't want to be late, so I want to teach you how to achieve this fast. So first of all, this material is called Akara. Just fold it into two. Fold it so that the texture will be more thicker. Then the length, you divide it equal 50-50. Place it on your head. This was my second style, head wrap. The first one I managed to tie. I don't like it. I said, let me just quickly change the head wrap. You see the way I do it. Once you cross it at the back, so you bring the other one to the side where the other one is, so that both of them will be at the same side. Now you start your twisting. This head wrap is just 3 minutes. You start your twisting. You see the way I'm twisting it. You see the way I'm twisting it. In case you don't like this style, the same material, there's a video how I create round with the same material. See, right now, after twisting it, you place it on top of your head. It's very easy. It's very good. You learn how to tie your things yourself. So the excess, just twist and twist and twist. Just focus your eyes. See the way we are going to tucking it underneath. It's very important. You know how to tie your head wrap. We have difficult styles. We have simple styles, easy styles. Go to my YouTube channel and rock Facebook page. We have different head wraps. Yes, my name is Deck Beauty. I base in United Kingdom, London. You can contact me book me for your event. We are into makeup, gele. We do traditional hair. We do bridal hair for the white wedding. We do photo shoots. This is my studio. Yes, so I'm available to travel. Book me for your event. And I'm inviting you for our church in case you live in London, Woolwich. Our church is in Woolwich. The time of the starting of the church is 12 every Sunday to 2, just 2 hours. Then on Friday, we are there as well. We start 8 p.m., just 1 hour to 9 p.m. for our prayer meeting. Yes, so I will be very excited to see you. Come and join, and God will bless you as you come. That is it. As you can see, this is the final. I am on my way. Yes, so. Yes, 3 minutes, you are done. All this one I'm just doing, I'm just trying to while away the time. These are all my work. Now they see all my work. I am into, in fact, all in one beauty. These are all my service. Now we still upgrade. We do more things. We do whitening of the teeth. We do, you see all this gele, these are all my work. Book me. I'm available to travel. My number is there. Call me. I will give it to you the way you want it. I sell makeup product. I sell oil, perfume. Follow me in all my social media platforms. Thank you. Bye.